Hey Club members, here with another intro into a video topic that lead you to animation activities. So I want to be talking about particle systems, but another way to address what they are is just how to make effects for animation. So in terms of when you want to make things like fire or smoke or a thunderstorm effect, or how to show the flow of water. That's essentially what effects are, and I think more to specifically 3D animation particle systems, that topic on there. So again, Khan Academy will show how it gets for 3D animation. That is how particle systems are in effect, and a little bit of how they work. And then from there, I just have more tutorial videos, so things like how you can do effects in Opentoonz, in After Effects, and then specifically to like Blender and Maya. Now with Blender and Maya, I've only have tutorials on how to make water movements and smoke for both of those. So that is like only examples of those. You can definitely do more in terms of effects of like how to make fire, how to show snow falling on the ground, things like that. But just to kind of give you an intro into it, and you can certainly explore more on your own. I just gave you these quick examples of like, here's part of what they can do, but there's obviously more that goes into them. So that's all I really had for this. So enjoy learning about effects and particle systems.